Hey guys, today we've got a cab high fiberglass topper. It's a new one. It's by Leer. It fits the 19 to current Ram, specifically the 2500 with the 6.4 bed, 2500, 3500 with the 6.4 bed. This one's white in color. This is in good shape. It has no damage obviously because it's brand new. This one has the side cargo doors in it with a toolbox. So it's a handle here, you unlatch that opens the door up, the window, and the access is into the toolbox. Has a top shelf on the toolbox here, and the bottom shelf is divided into 3 compartments, so you can store whatever you have in there, and tools and gears and camping gear and fishing tackle, whatever it is you have. Close that down, lock those windows, latches there to secure what you have inside there. The front has a sliding window in it. And then this side has a sliding window in the side. Standard half side sliders. No damage on this top at all. So it's brand new. Does have the double T-handle locking rear door. 3rd brake light. The Leer. As you can see right there, it's a 100 RCC series is the commercial contractor cap. It's a 6.4 Dodge Ram 19-H. The dash H makes it for the heavy duty. So 2500, 3500. Probably works just fine for the light duty 1500. It just is specifically made for the heavy duty with the 19 to current new body style with the 6.4 bed. PW7 bright white is the color on that. Does have the carpeted interior in it. Screens in the windows. Has the LED strip light down the side. Also has the 8 roof cargo tie downs. See, there's the toolbox. Serial number right there. Basically is the same information we just read back there in the back. And then has the LED light here in the back as well. Standard Leer fuse box setup. The clamps. There it is. It's a cab high Leer 100 RCC. Fits the 2019 to current model Ram 6.4 beds, the 2500, 3500 heavy duty trucks with the 6.4 bed. White in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That all can be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, deck units, things like that, this can all be purchased online as well. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.